Come and dance along with 100 drummers, 200 dancers, 100 pipers in Domahi Festival. Domahi is one of the most popular festivals of the Karbi people living in historical Greater Dumra Longri, which is presently comprising of Kangrup, Morrigaon in Assam and a part of Riboy district in Meghalaya state. Every year, the Domahi festival begins in the month of April and is celebrated by the people continuously for 7 days from its beginning. Every Dumra Karbis celebrate Domahi by producing traditional foods, wine, dancing, singing, etc. During the festive period from the first day to the 7th day, all the villagers residing particularly in Greater Dumra Longri, other than women, start dancing one by one from one house to another. They bring with them Kali, traditional music instrument, Cheng, traditional drums, Chong, shield and Nok sword. All the villagers' house gather and play the music instrument. Cheng, Chong Nok, dance and sing where a lot of precious Karbi history reflects the drink, traditional wine produced them by the house owner. These dance, which are danced during the Domahi festival, are known as Domahi Kekan. And we are soon going to witness the 20th edition of Domahi Festival 2022 in Phong Sonapur, Kangrup. Date 22, 23 and 24 of April 2022.
Chiluna